It's a trampoline.
Happy birthday, Bella.
That's your birthday present.
My birthday present?
Yeah,
Happy
you
birthday,
got a trampoline, Sophie.
My birthday present. Don't.
Daddy's going to put it together for you guys tomorrow.
I want him now.
Now?
Should we look at the side? Look what this kid is doing on it. Look over here. Look at this picture.
What is he doing?
Joe, you can't do it by yourself. It is heavy.
Look. She's bouncing.
What's she bouncing?
Because that's what you guys are going to do.
Papa, it looks like this.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like this.
Do you like it? Look at Bella jump.
Wow, Bella.
This way, Dad.
Yeah.
Watch what Emily did. Remember that Emily did?
Yeah, how'd she do it?
Like
The splits. Yep.
Wow.